In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted tickets in Freshdesk, what you can access, what's gone forever, and how things are labeled. Freshdesk provides a way to manage your customer support tickets efficiently, and knowing how to handle deleted tickets is an important part of that management process. Whether you've accidentally deleted a ticket or just want to keep track of changes, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to view and manage deleted tickets. To start, you need to navigate to the Tickets tab within Freshdesk. The Tickets tab is essentially the control center for reviewing, organizing, and managing support tickets within the platform. Once you're there, directing yourself to the correct view is key. You'll want to click on the hamburger menu, also known as the Ticket Views drop-down. It's typically represented by 3 horizontal lines, and clicking on it will present you with a list of different ticket views to choose from. Make sure to select Trash from this list. Choosing the Trash view allows you to see all tickets that have been deleted, but not yet permanently removed. It's important to note that once tickets land in the trash, they aren't immediately gone for good. Instead, they hang around for a bit, giving you some time to make final decisions on what to do with them. Now, within this trash view, you have a couple of key options to consider. Perhaps you spot a ticket that was deleted by mistake, or you find one that needs further action. In such a case, you can easily restore that ticket back to the active workspace, making it once again a part of your live ticket list. This can be a lifesaver if you ever mistakenly delete something important. On the other hand, if you're absolutely sure that certain tickets are no longer needed, you have the option to delete them forever. This action will permanently remove those tickets from Freshdesk, so remember, it's irreversible. Once a ticket is deleted forever, it cannot be recovered, so be sure of your decision before taking this step. There's a crucial time element to bear in mind as well. Tickets will reside in the trash for up to 30 days before they are automatically and permanently deleted. This 30-day window is a handy buffer that provides a safety net, allowing you to recover tickets during this period if necessary. It's always helpful to have this period of grace in case priorities shift or mistakes are made. In conclusion, Freshdesk's system for managing deleted tickets gives you both flexibility and control. By understanding how to view deleted tickets and knowing the options available to you within the trash view, you can maintain an organized, efficient support ticket system that keeps your help desk running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and happy ticket managing.